welcome. And today we are going to prepare some Jamaican jerk chicken.
Yes, guys, but before we get into everything, we're going to tell you the quote for today. So the quote for today is, the only thing I like better than talking about food is eating. Again, the only thing I like better than talking about food is eating.
Well, for food, good food, I have to eat.
Good food brings good mood.
Good food bring good mood.
So yeah, man. Because guess what? Then basically I say, you know, the other thing next to food is eating.
The other thing next to talking is eating.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So food I have to eat.
Mm-hmm. Good food.
Good food
Brings
good mood. Starting off with some freshly washed chicken. I already cut up these chicken in quarters, and now it's time for the seasoning. We have some chicken seasoning, some cayenne pepper, some salt, and some pimento. And now it's time to season this chicken to perfection. We're going to massage this chicken and allowing the seasoning to go all over and get onto every piece of the chicken. You have to ensure that all the pieces of chicken are seasoned, because no chicken will be left behind. Now we're gonna make our jerk marinade. We have onion, garlic, thyme, pepper, ginger, and some scallion, as well as some cooking oil, some pimento, some vinegar, and some soy sauce. We're gonna add everything in a blender and blend. You know I won't leave you guys hanging, so guess what? The full ingredients will be in the description below.
Even though it is cooking with Michelle, you know that Tanya have to be in the midst. But guys, guess what? If you're not already subscribed, feel free. Turn on the post notification bell, like, comment, and make sure to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Now we're going to pour all of this jerk seasoning onto the chicken and massage it thoroughly, because remember, no chicken will be left behind. Now I'm going to put this chicken in the fridge to marinate. Two days later, and guys, it's smelling so good. Now it's time to put the chicken on the grill. Look at it, guys, look at it. Make sure you check and turn your chicken occasionally until it's cooked to perfection. You know you can't jerk it out, you're having some yam and sweet potato roasting on the fire. This is a finished product, guys. I pair this with some potato salad and some vegetable. And if you want, you could eat this with some roast yam and sweet potato. And remember, good food brings good mood. Thank you for watching our video and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, I'm going to leave you with one phrase. It's after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right
thing.
do the right thing. Listen, we do the